This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Volkswagen ID Buzz long wheelbase GTX. It's the 340 horsepower beast from the, well, Eastern Germany. Okay, no, just kidding. But, okay, so it's the longer bus. It's almost 5 meters long. And this is a 7-seater. You can also get it in a 6-seater. And I want to check now interior. I'm just going to show you guys. Unfortunately, I don't have time for banana boxes, but I mean, needless to say, it can take a lot of banana boxes. It has lots of space. So yeah, this is 25 centimeters longer than the regular bus, I don't know, the 5-seater or the short bus. So it should have lots of space, but it also seems like they added more features than the short bus. And in the back we have kick sensor here. Very nice, just like the short bus. Oh, sorry, it's just the Niro here. When I go close to the Niro, it will unlock and then it locks again. That's why it honks. But yeah, we actually have okay space in the trunk here. Even though all the 3 seats row are now in use. Here we have a light, we have button for anhängerkopplung. Nice. Yeah, some people say it's not enough, it's only 1600 kilograms. Yeah, okay, whatever. Here we have 12-volt outlet. It's only in the back, not in the front. Wait, it's so hard to open. Yeah, here. Oh, sorry, there. And then here we have a hook for your groceries. And then here, at least I can feel the airflow coming out. Hey, what? Oh, okay. I don't know what this is. Hope I didn't break anything. There, nothing to see. But I can feel the airflow coming out there and also here. Here was the speakers also. Wait, no. This I heard. Okay, according to AI search, this is supposedly a placeholder for a future subwoofer. But the sound you hear here, I believe we have the Harman Kardon. I don't see the Harman Kardon badge or anything, but the sound is really good. But supposedly the bass is not produced by the imaginary subwoofer here. The bass is produced by the speakers you have here. And then not sure about if this door has any speaker. Yeah. So I know you see here. So those 4 units probably produce the bass that is actually deep enough, not super deep. It doesn't go that loud, but when I crank it up, I did get some clipping. So it indicates that, you know, yeah. A little minus about having the subwoofer here is that when the front has okay sound levels and they're enjoying the music, then in the back it becomes too loud. I remember when I had the Model X, that was a 6-seater. Same thing there. When the front had okay level, the back had way too much bass. So maybe this is the problem when you have a 7-seater or 3-seater. Okay, anyway, you can fold the seats like this. Well, I think I need 2 hands anyway. And it actually folds quite flat. Here, there, nice. And you can also take them out. Unfortunately, I have quite limited time. I should return this car soon. But here we have the USB-C there, and you can probably put something here. We have a cup holder there. A lot of plastic fantastic in this car. In the front, we have electric adjustable seats with memory. These 2 slots, and then we also have massage, but it's just cat massage. You can barely feel it, just some air cushions trying to move your back here slightly. So yeah, whatever. But yeah, so plenty of leg room here. Oh, sorry, plenty of headroom. Leg room might actually be slightly limited because you're more upright in like a bus position, not like a sedan position. But then, okay, in the back, you can also open the door from the center. We have plenty of space here. And you can slide the seat forward. And then you can also recline, just like the short bus. So, oh wow, in this position, it actually becomes nice and comfy. The only minus is that there is no center console for your arm here. And just like the short bus, you can fold the seat completely flat, like this. Nice mechanism that the seat that goes. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I entered something there. And you take it up again, And now we need to check the third row. And the third row actually has easy fix mounting points, also very easy accessible. I like it. However, for practical reasons, if you put a child seat in the rear here, how are you going to access it? I experienced this before with other cars with 3-seat row. Once you put the car seat here, well, I mean, it depends, because, okay, if you have adults sitting here, no problem. But if you have another car seat here, and then you also have stuff in the back here, car seat, then once you do this, you need to remove the front car seat before you access the rear. So it depends how you want to do this. I would personally put one car seat there maybe, and then another car seat here, but putting 2 car seats in the back here could be somewhat challenging to access them or and also to get the kids out of here, because getting in here, digging stuff in here is harder than if you just stand more or less upright and you do it here. Well, I could slide in here. No, wait, no, shit. I've gone through too many leg days. I cannot fit my fat butt in there. So, okay, then I need to fold it slightly and then get in there. No, I think you're supposed to use this here, yeah. So you see that this only is this is folding, yeah, and sliding. But this button here will actually lift the seat forward to make it easier to get in and out. Okay, once we're on the back though, oh, how is the space here? And immediately I feel like we are sitting quite upright, really church bench, 90-degree up. But you can, okay, first of all, you can slide it here, more forward, or more back, but then you eat up space in the trunk. You can tilt it, but at least I haven't found a way to do it unless I go in the back here and then pull this strap and then there. Now we get slightly better seating position. So if I now try to go all the way back, same with this seat. There's a handle there. Then it should be okay, right? For emergency. Oh, this is nice. I like it that it makes a big opening, even though it's not necessary because you don't want a big people to be in here. But okay, if I go slide it back now, it doesn't slide all the way back. But okay, close enough. Wow, I actually have good leg room here. Also, when the front is fairly pushed back, it's not pushed all the way forward. I can show you. If I do this, and I can actually use this to push, once it's in that position, I can then push the seat, the front bench more forward. And then if I click it down in this position, you see, then it's more forward versus that seat, right? And the front still has okay leg room, but then I have plenty here. But when it comes to here in the back, I actually sit okay. And the other seat here also has pretty good seat width. It's not cramped like in a Model X, for example. Yeah, same here. When it comes to headroom, let me go back on this side. Oh, it's not the best. I'm 173 centimeter and I'm almost rubbing into the top here, which is plastic. But it seems like we have airflow coming out in the back, but we also have air vents here, and I can feel the cooling coming here. And now this is not active. I'm not sure if I need to be, oh no, the car needs to be on. Yeah, this is kind of silly of the Volkswagen, or actually the MEB platform. I had to buckle up and press the brake something so that the infotainment is on. But now you can see that we have some HVAC controls here in the back. And this will also control this. Yeah, so very nice. Yeah, now I lowered the temperature, so the cooling goes more aggressive in the back. So, well, it seemed to work great. People are complaining about the lack of cooling in the back, but at least for me, if we have air vents there, and also whatever was going on in the trunk, then that should be enough, right? So there you guys have it, the ID Buzz. Sorry for not spending that much time with it. I was supposed to keep it longer, but stuff happened, and then, yeah, maybe next time, if I see that the interest is high, I will borrow it again and test what you guys want me to test. So yeah, what do I think about the ID Buzz? I mean, it's practical. It has the space and the practical solution for carrying people and cargo. When it comes to the comfort part, however, after being in some of the other Chinese cars like the Denza D9 and especially the XPeng X9 that is actually coming to Norway soon, then I feel like the ID Buzz is a bit plastic fantastic. But maybe that's not too important for people who want to buy these cars. They just want the practical stuff. They just want to carry people, the whole half football team from A to B, not all the plush interior with the massage and the big screen like they have in the XPeng X9. It's price niche what people want, but at least it seems to work okay with this car or this van. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.